Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Percent increase questions look scary, but this one is just reading two graph values, comparing them carefully, and matching the nearest choice fast. To find a percent increase, use the standard setup. New minus old divided by old, then multiply by 100, because we want the change compared with the starting mass. At week 8, read the average mass for the fructose and glucose group from the graph, then treat that value as the original amount in the denominator and subtraction setup. At week 26, read the later mass, subtract the week 8 mass, compare the change to week 8, and the closest percent is option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now, don't rush signs or estimates. Trust the given graph values and check each percent increase step carefully.